Hey guys, it's Jack Giraffe Gaming here, and today I'm going to be playing a new game called Agar.io, and it's a lot of fun. I have played it before, and someone also requested me to play this in the comments, so I decided, let's play some Agar.io. And if you don't know what Agar.io is, here's what you do. You basically you start off as like a tiny cell, and you eat little things like these, and you grow bigger and bigger, and there's a leaderboard. And our goal for this video is to get onto the leaderboard, so yeah, you'll see how it works when we get started. And you can get custom skins. I'm going to be playing as Doge, or Doggy, and this is me right in the middle. And you get these, and as you see, you get bigger, and there are other people on here, so you play with them too. So I'm running for my life, because I'm being chased by Jumbo, which is another person. So yeah, I'm gonna play. I'll keep playing this if you guys enjoy it. And I know that FNAF 4 just came out, but I just haven't done that many videos, so I'll keep doing more videos on that too. So yeah. And right now our leader is Shinigami. So I'm gonna try and eat this Jumbo. And you can also like split some of your mass off, and you can just completely split in half, and these are called viruses. So if you're bigger than them, they will split you into a million pieces. And you can hide in them if you're smaller. I'm smaller than them, so I can hide in them, but Shinigami would be too big to fit in them, so he would get eaten. KFYMG. And there are a lot of strange names on there, so there could be something offensive to you. So be ready for that. Right now, and if you see in the top or the bottom left-hand corner, it says our score is 118. That's our mass, and each time we eat something, we get a little bit bigger. So nom 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 nom. Jumbo. Oh my god, that guy got split. Did you see that, guys? That's what a split is. Did you see him? He went on the virus, and now I'm gonna go try and eat Boom. Look at that! Did you see that? Oh my god, did you see how much we got there when I split? So to split, you push the space bar, and what did Jumbo just do? And so yeah, that's what happens when you split, and look at how big we got. Oh, there's the biggest guy, Sir, right now. There he is. He's right there. We're not going to go near him. And other people can split too. So right now we're at a size of 644. Oh my gosh. And currently my record is 4,612, so I've had some practice. Someone recommended me to play this in the comments, and I was going to make a video on it, and then someone just left a comment saying play it, so I said I'll just do that today. And I've been trying to record this for about an hour now, but just been problems. Bill too. Hello. And see Boom down here? Here's the guy that we tried to eat earlier, and now we did. Yeah. Okay, we're 878, and titty butter, whatever that means. Doge got split, a different Doge. Machu. So, did you see that on the leaderboard? We were number 10. We were number 10 on the leaderboard for like a split second. So, oh my gosh. We'll see how long we are on the leaderboard for when we actually die. So, if this video starts to get long, then I'll just end it, but, whoa, that guy's huge. I've been number 3 on the leaderboard before, and I play this a lot, so, there we go. We are huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's an AFK guy. See right there? Oh, there's a Jumbo. Jumbo, you're AFK. Oh my god, watch this. I'm gonna try and eat Jumbo a small bit. Oh, he's recombining. He's recombining. He's recombining. He's recombining. He's recombining. I better run. I gotta run. I gotta run. I gotta run. I gotta run. If he recombines, he can split and then he can eat us, which that would be terrible. So we've already completed our goal for this video, is hit the leaderboard. We were on it for like a second, but now I'm gonna try and get in the thousands, which I guess that won't be too bad. Maybe it will. I don't know. Okay, we're in the 900s. He's feeding me. He's feeding me. Come on, feed me. Feed me some more. Feed me some more. Okay. So, this game is a lot of fun. I'll leave a link to, it's a website in the description. I'll leave a link for it. So, you guys can go check it out. But, yeah. Golden Freddy. Oh, look. Golden Freddy. Golden Freddy. I'm coming for Golden Freddy. Over in the left. Jeez. This game is so stressful sometimes. Like, you get huge and then you die. Ah! Golden Freddy just got huge. I'm coming for Golden Freddy right now. So, what are you doing feeding him? Okay, Machu can eat me, so I'm not going near him. I'm gonna go by CIA. What? Oh, there's a guy up there I'm going for. Okay. So this game is a lot of fun. I hope you guys check it out. You'll have a lot of fun with it. But it's... What? That guy's name is just W-U-T. What? I'm gonna try and eat a smaller bit. So then we'll be... Oh! I'm till... I don't know what that even says. So, currently we're 835. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, if you don't eat anything for a while, you start to lose mass. So, we need to start eating more people. Otherwise, we'll start getting... Oh, jeez, we got split. You can also split other people. I'm going to try and eat Bill too right now. Oh, jeez. Okay, this is us. We're still alive. We're still alive. Which is good. We're just way smaller. We're not even 500 anymore, so we need to get back up there. So I need to find someone that is worth splitting. Maybe I'll try and split someone. Just like What did to us. I'm going to try and escape from What, because he's really cruel to us. Nay nay. Nay nay. Nay nay. Nay nay. Nay 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 nay. Come on! Come on! Come on! Chili. So there's a lot of custom skins, and custom skins, we have a custom skin of Doge right in the center, so we are almost 500, which is good. If you guys remember from a couple minutes ago, we were way bigger than Bill too, but now he's bigger than us. So that's how you can tell if... But there's a ton of little like cells right here, so nom 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 nom. This game just reminds me of Pac-Man, like where all these little ones you just eat like nom 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 nom, just like that. Hi. A virgin something. A virgin cell. Ooh. Ah! Okay, I don't even know what that noise was there. But we split and ate him, so now we are about 600. So we're catching up. We need to recombine our little one, otherwise it will get eaten. And Golden Freddy's number 2. If you guys remember, we saw Golden Freddy, and now he's number 2. Vanoss. Like Vanoss, And you can find a lot of people who name themselves like other YouTubers to try and get people to feed you, but don't trust them, because... Oh! Vinoss! I need to stop making weird noises like that. Oh, another guy got split! Come on, go faster! P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Alphabetical. Okay, we're about 600 still. So we got some tasty num-nums. I've made a lot of weird sounds in this video. So, this game is so fun, so. Oh my god, he recombined right before this. So, we were on the leaderboard for 16 seconds, as you can see right here. And we were at number 10, and our highest max was 924. We were alive for 10 minutes and 9 seconds. So I think we'll try one more time to get that big, and I think I'm going to end it here. So, I'll try and alert you when I'm gonna play this, so we can try and play with each other. But yeah, this game is a lot of fun. I know a lot of YouTubers play this, so that's how I got into it. This is gonna be a game that I'm never gonna stop playing. I'll play this for just hours straight, but it's so fun. Okay, someone just went into us, so now we're currently 112. There's also different... oh, there's Golden Freddy. Golden Freddy, you're big now. You were never this big in FNAF. You were never that big. For some reason, Golden Freddy's blue. I want some of this. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm like going in between 3 huge guys. Feed me, please! Please, I'm a FNAF fan. I think. Doge, get in my belly. Get in my belly. Get in my belly. Come here. Come here. Doge. We're buddies. We're Doge buds. Okay, he's recombining. Okay, so there's actual borders. I don't know if you can zoom out to see where other people are. That guy's name is Level 43. What does that mean? But I don't really care, because I just want to get them in my Doge belly. This is such a fun game. The Bane of You. Okay. What's that? Never seen that skin before. I'll try and play as a new skin every time, so. And guys, we're almost at 50 subscribers, which was way more than I thought we'd get. So, I want to thank you for that as well in this video. So, I really want to eat this guy, but he's so fast, and the smaller you are, the faster you are, so there's a better chance of you getting away, but... Oh my god, he just got huge! Popular MMOs! Popular MMOs, no. Even though I am a fan, you still cannot eat me. Popular MMOs, go away. I'm not food, I'm a subscriber. Come! Oh my gosh, there's a guy that got split down there. Come on, come on, come on. Look, he's in 4 pieces. Come on, I need to get closer. Need to get closer, need to get closer. Oh, this could be it. No. Weird sounds, weird sounds. Oh, I did get some. Oh, well, we got that guy. AFK person. And there are a lot of AFK people who play this too, so it's fun when... Oh! Eduardo, go away. Go away. Get away from me, Eduardo. Oh my gosh. Shinigami. Wasn't he number 1 in the last round? Someone must have ate him. Bernie Sanders. Okay. Ooh. Lightning Zoe. Come here. You know what? Yeah. That was a fail. Did you see that fail of a split? Lightning Zoe. No! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Coca-Cola. I want to eat Coca-Cola, even though I don't like it. Don't like it. Bernie Sanders. There you are again. Pepsi's here. Why are there so many drinks? It's Coca-Cola, Pepsi, I don't know. Mars. I want to eat small Mars. Wait. He can't eat me. Okay. Let me get the little bit. No! Come here! Come here! Ah! Oh no! Oh my god! There's Golden Freddy! Save me! Save me! No! Jumbo! Don't do it! Oh my gosh! The bane of you. It's bane of my existence is that. Still alive. I'm still alive at mass 34. That's pretty terrible. Yum, 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 yum. A named cell. How ironic. Oh, why did I just go into him? Oh, that was pretty dumb. Okay, so yeah, I said when I died, I was going to end the video, so yeah. Thank you for watching this round of Agar.io, and it was a lot of fun. It was seriously a lot of fun. So you guys should go check it out, and I'll leave a link to the description where you go to this. It's actually just you go to a website called Agar.io, and that's where you play it. I'll leave a link in the description though. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Agar.io, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, comment down below what custom skin I should name, and here's some examples like Doge, a lot of countries, a lot of political figures, and like Facebook and YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.